So hello again. The only thing I've changed really is to add some orange and yellow to my palette. I meant the last time to use a bit more yellow, but it turned out my yellow had dried onto the palette, and so didn't have anything to work with there. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more. We had this light orange for an underpainting, which gives the creature a living warmth, makes him feel like he's really alive, has body heat. There are painters like well, the Flemish painters in particular, they liked to do their entire canvas in a yellow, a warm, glowing yellow, and then they glazed colors over top of them, and that gave the entire painting a luminosity that it would have otherwise lacked. So even when you come back and paint the red of an apple over top of this yellow color, you have more of a vibrant, glowing red apple, and you have vibrant, glowing skin, and you have vibrant, glowing leather and fur and sky, the ground. You just have a vibrancy there. So that's fun. Am I saying that that's what I do all the time? Now, I don't do that all the time at all. What I do is I like to put down some kind of underpainting, some color or another, and then I have a unified feeling. It could be warmth, it could be cold, it could be somber, could be vibrant. There's something that holds it all together. If I were painting a scene in a cemetery, I would be reluctant to use yellows and oranges and pinks. I would be more likely to use blues and grays. Even though there would be other things in the picture, people and possibly animals, possibly vampires, and whatever it is you're painting. But I would be reluctant to make it a warm painting because it would alter the tone, literally, but also the feeling of the work. It would feel more upbeat and silly and positive, and if that wasn't what you were going for, you're not going to like it. On the other hand, maybe if it's a children's scary story, you might want to lean that way anyways, just to kind of keep it from giving somebody nightmares. Painted something once that somebody said gave them nightmares, and I felt bad about it and proud about it at the same time. I've mixed some yellow and some white. There's actually a little bit of blue in there as well, so it's got a touch of a muddy green. I have to be careful I don't put my head in the way of the camera. I have dozens of years of experience in painting and a few minutes worth of experience in making videos, so you do not have to excuse me. But if you're wondering why it is the way it is, that's why it is. I have made a lot of videos on Facebook Live. They're starting to delete all of those after posting them for years, but I have made a lot of them, and you know, they're just amateur and off the cuff, and they're too long. So this is a different process altogether.